This is a launch of a new material that we're going to be bringing. We're going to bring it to our users on May the 8th. It is it's a material that's been in the works for quite a while. Take a look. So some of the key features of this new material is that we have had it validated over a broad spectrum of cell lines of over 90% cell viability. It is optically clear, very, very optically clear, to the point where you can actually do microscopic analysis directly on chip itself. And it is inert under UV light, so you can start doing your analysis under fluorescent light without any issues. And this, as I said, has been a material in the works for quite a while. And here's some links that you guys can take a look at if when you can get updates, a white paper on this material. If you want to book a meeting with us and get more information, you can scan this, and these links will be available after the show as well. Thank you. Oh, before I go any further, the optical transparency is very important to us. And so for this actual presentation, you've been viewing this right through that chip that we had designed, and that was on the video. So that is how optically transparent the actual material is. And this is unpolished. It hasn't been processed other than using IPA and a compressed air.
That is more clear than my glasses lens, to be honest. Thank you for showing us, and great presentation, Hemdeep.